Yankonsem foforo emuana yeko ye Tamaso SHS disuafo bi ya wonom ewo hodom akobra so se wo mo ekọ akọchro eye WASSCE no bochiremu a ene wo mo nsuru gujempa sanse enche bia na NIB fo bi ebe piem wo hodom a enema hodo mbeye no hodom ama maburu no sesei ehu na abeto wo mo so a wo chese so hwe no kra no ne chiro beye den ama wo.
Esuku phobia womone Adom News nsentwofo etwetwe nkomo no wodi to dwa se womo yam hye omo pa abra womo hu se NIB officers yi ebora bebia na womo etro womo ensohwe no we enam so ama womo bebre womo ede omo koto ayaresabia na safo ekura entimi antro eye brofo ensohwe brofo kasem yaka ne English paper enam anamo a officers yi etu ye ntino.
So my first time seeing the how do you call it, the gun with the ankle, I was not able to write my paper due to the shock I was having. So I called my master and told him that this is what I'm feeling. I started vomiting. So they told me that I should take time and calm down. I was not able to control my temper, so they took me to the hospital. Due to the shock, I couldn't even write anything about the English paper.
We came into the school around 6:30. We saw some people. They were armed with ankles, and they were too scary. I was seeing them like I got frustrated. I was
in Ghana, laws are working, but their presence will not scare them. So if this is what the students are saying, well, to some extent, that is their right.
Deputy District Director of Education and so epa school for no actual se wasroma womo ensan enkotoa womo ensohwe so.
I think we can dialogue with them so that they will reorganize themselves, support the children saying that they will boycott the exams totally.